inflation announcement. We success yet, but I think there's a lot of signs that
Sell off is low for the day. We do have gold futures higher by 7. With the company warning of a slowdown now.
Sundo ko sa mga maliliit na busing sa school nila. Makikita nyo buhos ang snow kasi may mga 15 to 20 centimeters na buhos. Mag-start ngayon late afternoon hanggang bukas. Yan o. Kailangan dahan-dahan, may kuan ka, enough space sa harap mo para sa braking kasi mag-skid. Bago pa bumuhos ang snow, nilagyan na nila ng mga asin. Yan o, itry ko pag-brake. Yan o, oh, skid o. Oh, skid. Yun ang ginagawa ko. Tinetest ko kung gaano kahaba ang skidding. Maganda ang all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive kasi kapit na kapit. At saka naka-winter tire. So, naka-winter tire ako. Ibang-iba siya kung hindi winter tire. Kumakapal na ang buhos.
It's Wednesday, January 25th. I'm Fuljana Simensic.
And I'm James Monroe. Here's the breaking news right now.
The snowfall is creating tricky driving conditions across much of southern Ontario. The City News 680 Extreme Weather Center is open to help you navigate this major weather event.
Up, slide.
Another food
Skid.
mascot is getting an update. Changes coming
Skid.
to
Ito na yung school. Yung mga school bus. And ang school, inagahan ko para makakuha ako ng spot dito, parking. Parent drop off. So, yan. 2:32. Eh ang bell 2:55. So, meron pa tayong mga 42, 52, 20 minutes. Dito na lang ako maghintay kaysa kung mamaya pa ako, puno na to dito. Basta sa winter driving, dahan-dahan lang. Tapos may enough space sa harap para if in case sa emergency braking, mag-skid, meron pang enough na room, no? Para hindi ka mabunggo sa harap.
That is a quick amount of snow accumulation out on the roads. Plus, the winds aren't really easing until later this evening. And we've had gusts downtown, guys, up to about 60 kilometers per hour. So we've got enough snow on the ground now, and we'll see even more that the winds are going to pick it up, blow it around, drift it around. So the visibility is obviously a concern as well. Give the plows some space. Once we really get going, like I said, around 3 to 3:30 is when they're going to have a hard time keeping up with the road conditions. So just take it easy out there, and we'll continue to monitor the situation as we're expecting a very long night with this snow. Reporting live from the City News Weather Center, I'm Denise Andriachi.
Ayan oh. Puno na. 20 minutes pa before mag-bell. Yung mga parents, pareho din ang plano nila na agahan para maka-secure ng parking spot. Yan oh, puno na. Wala nang bakante. So yung darating, bahala na sila kung saan-saan sila mag-emergency parking.
Air Transport Professional, conditions apply. Air Transit
Canada could mean the floor for home values. He says home prices, he thinks, will start to drift higher in the coming months, so long as this is indeed the last 20,618. Not the gold stocks. Boy, gold's been on a nice run, and the futures price is up another $7 at the moment. Losses downtown Canada, actually, at the moment here. Right now, Tesla up about 0.75%. Canadian dollar at 74.64 cents US. The City News
to help you take control of your finances. Search for the MMP 3-Minute Death Rate in your favorite podcatcher today, and put yourself in the fast lane to your financial fresh population. We get less than 1% of the hospital. Changing norms makes all the difference. 0 and a wind chill rating of -7. City News 680 is CFCR AM Toronto. It's 3 o'clock.
Toronto's number one for breaking news, traffic,
Dad, look, there's ice.
Yeah.
city news.
We've got a lot of snow coming. The City News 680 Extreme Weather Center is open to bring you all the
Weather in a second.
Where's my iPad?
Police continue the home cooking against the
Where's
Rangers
my
on
iPad?
the West Coast tonight, and the Iron Sea
Hey,
is
ate.
saying more about Russia
Wanna see here, the front?
2024 Paris Games. Sports at 15. Stocks cut losses, just a minor drop now for the equity benchmark. They come
Ah.
on.
I told you guys, there's snow.
Hello. Where's my iPad?
I think it's in the room because I left the car outside.
And then a very heavy backup with this problem from the 409 to Finch. There's also a collision on
Ga na ang snow.
427.
Tomorrow morning, good.
Help me sleep until we go sledding then.
Huh? What, Lai?
Help me sleep until we go sledding.
Tonight, Thursday, Friday, 3 sleeps, and then we go sledding. Okay?
Look at the basketball court.
Yeah. Traffic. I hope wala yung nangabangga.
THA, we're seeing heavy bands moving through the area with the heaviest from now till about 6 p.m.
And it's going to go on until tomorrow morning. City's Phil Martino joins us live with the latest on how we're doing so far. See, it's not pretty out there, and this is just the beginning. This caller into the city newsroom says he was traveling on the westbound 401 in from Ajax.
And the roads are quite good, but the visibility is extremely poor. And the majority of people do not have their lights on. It's very difficult to see the cars in front of you.
Vince Sarasa with the city's transportation department says road crews are prepared for
Oh,
this significant
it's slide up.
snowstorm, and they began
You
applying
can't
liquid brine
move forward.
last night.
The car in front of us.
Plowing all of our roads fairly quickly this afternoon. And that will be our arterial roads, our collector roads, and the local roads.
Oh, that's the problem. If you don't put winter tire, see? You can't move forward.
Now we gonna go home.
Bye-bye. That's what happens if you don't put winter tire.
Someone will get the car.
Yeah. Those guys, they don't want to put winter tire because they want to save. Because you have to buy the winter tire. But in times of emergency, like this one, they can't move forward.
Oh, there's so much snow on my road. I mean, ice on my road.
Yeah.
And probably at least for another hour or 3 centimeters per hour. That's a tricky amount of the quieter areas and roadways across areas like northern Halton.
So much ice on my road.
Okay. Home safely. Thank you, Lord. Grabe ang snow, oy. O day nga gi-cancel ang school bus. They cancel the school bus because to give way sa mag-clean sa roads. To give way sa mga snowblower.
That goes on the bus and it go home.
Kaya mga eskwela ron mo may school bus. May nga ron. Wop. Ang school bus walay operation.
January 26th. Good morning. I'm Catherine Jete.
I'm Paul Cook. Here's what's making news right now.
Aftermath of a big snowstorm. School buses are canceled in Toronto and the rest of the GTA. The City News 680 Extreme Weather Center is open, tracking the fallout.